Good morning, fifth graders. Happy Monday. Today we're moving in to Unit 2 of our Benchmark Readers Workshop. Now you have a completed, well, I shouldn't say completed, because in our last mentor text, Partners in Survival, you have some of the activities complete. Right, you want to make sure that you hang on to that book because you will turn that into your teacher when we come back together in the school building. So you can set it aside for now, and we're going to move in to the next book. All right, so just as a reminder, we're following our pathway that you'll find in Schoology. We have our start. And today we're on day 1, and we'll move our way through this pathway. Okay, so our unit will take about 3 weeks. All right, eventually we'll have our Aspire to Do challenge here in the middle. So those of you that are looking for some extra challenge can dive into that. All right, but our overall goal is that we will complete our entire unit in 3 weeks. Okay, week 1, today is day 1. Okay, and our focus for today is I can explain what the text says by quoting from the text. So remember, quoting means you're finding exact words that the author used to support your answer. All right, many times we use quotation marks to show that those are exact words that the author used. So quote, phrase, comma, quote. Okay, or it could also be quote, phrase, period, quote. So those quotes fall on both sides when you take exact words from the author. All right, and then we're going to draw inferences. We're going to take those quotes and we're going to decide what that means. Because we all know that we learn about other people through what they say, what they do, and how they treat other people, or the relationships they have with other people. Okay, and we use those same 3 things when we learn about characters. We listen for what characters say, we listen for what characters do, and we pay attention to the relationships they have so we can have a deeper understanding of the type of person or the character that they are. Okay, so that is the opening for the theme of this unit. It's all about relationships, learning about other people. So we're going to take a second to, I thought I could watch this video right from here, but since it's not working for me, I'm going to go ahead and dive into Benchmark. Now you remember, if you went to Clever and then signed in to Benchmark, you have the same possibility. So if you can't find your book or it's not working, you always have this as your backup. Or if you'd like to listen to the reading, it's the backup as well.
Developing characters' relationships. The people we admire and like to be around may be intelligent, wise, compassionate, joyful, humorous, determined, or they may possess other positive characteristics. Why do we value certain qualities in people?
All right, that's the perfect opening for our theme here. All right, so your new mentor text looks like this. It says characters develop relationships. All right, so if you don't have this book in front of you, you might want to pause the video and go and get it. Okay, so we're focused on relationships. What can we learn about characters by what they say, what they do, and how they interact with other people? Okay, so we're in our mentor text today, and we're going to read the story called The Tryout on pages 6 to 7. Okay, we're going to read and identify key details. Okay, so that means that we're connecting to the text. Okay, we're underlining, circling, asking ourselves questions in the margin. And if we know that the theme is on relationships or on the characters, that can help guide our thinking as we underline and circle. Okay, so you can listen to the tryout on Benchmark, or you can read it yourself in your mentor text. And once you're complete, we're going to have you look back at the tryout on page 7. What does Hannah's dialogue reveal about her character? Okay, so this is a place that you're going to use quotes from the text. So find the exact words Hannah is using on page 7, and then you're going to infer. What does that show you about her? What kind of person do you think she is based on the words that she's using? Okay, so you'll find the assignment in Schoology, all right, and you're looking for quotes, exact words Hannah uses, and you're going to infer about the type of person she is. And of course, you'll write in complete sentences with capital letters and periods. All right, nice work. When you're done with this work, with this reading work, you can move into the phonics.